So now we said that we're going to see what this reuse button means, but as I was recording, I remember that on last video we talked about permissions, and in the case that someone needs to create a new package and they don't have the permission level to share the package, they can still save it. So if they save it and then if they don't have the permission to share, this will be disabled, so they will just click here on the X, and but still the bubble will be created, and they could probably change the name to, you know, Team Furniture Admin to share. So they will communicate to the administrator of the team or the project that this module needs to be shared with others. So for now, let's just delete it, and let's see how this reuse button works. So we're gonna click on reuse, click on the package. See, this is the first package that we created under the furniture team. Just click on reuse. So we are presented with this, the viewer, and the same thing as we were doing before. So basically we don't have the option anymore to save the package, but we are just able to share it because we are reusing the package that was already created. So let's change the name to reuse, so we know that this was okay. So if we change the name, it allows us to save it, and then we can now share it. So what happens if we just click on reuse, this last one, and we just click share? It will still create a copy of the reuse model that we have here. Now I'm gonna do some changes on Revit and see if we can still do this same, we can still apply the same commands. I'm gonna go to Revit as a furniture user. So I'm just gonna duplicate this, and I am gonna synchronize. The synchronization was done. So I realized that sometimes I need to reload. So BIM 360 knows that there is an update going on. Okay, so it is reloaded, and if we click on update to latest, it knows that I have a new version of this. But let's try to see if allow us to reuse a package before updating. So let's reuse. So it's gonna be the copy of the copy. It's shared, and yeah, it sure did. So let's try now to create a new package. So we're playing around a little bit here. So let's create a new package, and we notice that it is not updated because we haven't updated our thing yet. So let's go back to our name convention. So 1228. Let's share the model on the 3D view, and let's save it. Let's share. And this thing here is just because we created two packages almost at the same time. So it's basically telling us that we created within a few minutes. So the one bubble is above the other one. So it's basically a zoom restriction. So yeah, and now that the package was created, we can explore it, but still we need to update it. So now I want to try something different. Instead of updating the latest here, I'm gonna go to the design collaboration just to check some things. Like I want to see, as I created those packages, I want to see if the project folder created more models or is still the same. So it's still one model under the furniture team, This is basically our cloud model, our live cloud model, and the model that we have here is the shared one, which is just a snapshot due to the package creation. Now I want to go to Revit. Okay, so one more test. Let's see if we go to admin mode. So now I am in admin mode. Let's see if we find any differences. I find no differences under the furniture team. I can still see the same file. If I go to explore the file, I will have to see just one row of desks. So let's try to move to Revit right now under the furniture team, and let's see if we can. So the file was shared, but let's now go to manage cloud models under document management. So now we're gonna publish latest, and we'll see if on BIM 360 docs what are the files that get updated, and if we have to update the model right there. So we're gonna publish and see what happens on BIM 360 docs.